Is not equal to. Definition: the is not equal to operator checks if two values are different. This operator is crucial for establishing conditions that trigger actions when specific criteria are not met. Like the is equal to operator, comparisons are case-sensitive, meaning example and example are considered unequal. Scenarios. Example 1. Validate user input for security questions. Scenario: in a security feature for account recovery, users must answer a security question correctly. The system checks if the answer provided by the user does not match the correct answer. Formula: if condition, user input, is not equal to blue. Step-by-step explanation. Input data. Retrieve the answer entered by the user for the security question. Condition check. The flow checks if the user input does not equal the correct answer, blue. Response. If the user input is red, the condition returns true. Allow the user to proceed with the account recovery process. If the user input is blue, the condition returns false. Deny access and prompt the user to try again. Example 2. Check for unapproved access levels scenario. In an organizational system, you want to restrict access to sensitive information for users who do not have the appropriate role. The system checks if the user role is not equal to manager before denying access. Formula: if condition, user role is not equal to manager. Step-by-step explanation. Input data. Retrieve the role of the logged-in user from the database. Condition. Check. The flow checks if the user role is not equal to manager. Response. If the user role is employee, the condition returns true. Deny access to sensitive information and display an error message. If the user role is manager, the condition returns false. Grant access to the sensitive information. Example 3. Confirm subscription status scenario. In a subscription-based service, you need to verify that a user's subscription status is not expired before allowing access to premium features. Formula: if condition, subscription status is not equal to expired. Step-by-step explanation. Input data. Retrieve the subscription status of the user from the database. Condition. Check. The flow checks if the subscription status is not equal to expired. Response. If the subscription status is active, the condition returns true. Allow access to premium features. If the subscription status is expired, the condition returns false. Deny access and prompt the user to renew their subscription. Best practices for using is not equal to case sensitivity. Awareness. Just like with the is equal to operator, string comparisons with is not equal to are case-sensitive. Ensure that inputs are consistently formatted to avoid unexpected results. Clear messaging. Provide clear feedback to users when the condition evaluates to true or false. For instance, if a security question is answered incorrectly, indicate to the user that their answer does not match the expected response. Use descriptive variable names. Ensure that variable names used in conditions clearly indicate their purpose. This helps others understand the logic behind the conditions more easily. Test with edge cases. Validate the logic by testing with various edge cases, such as null values, empty strings, or unexpected characters, to ensure that your condition behaves as intended. Logging results. Implement logging mechanisms to capture the results of checks using the is not equal to operator. This practice helps in troubleshooting if conditions do not behave as expected. Conclusion. The is not equal to operator is vital for determining when certain conditions are not met in Power Automate workflows. By understanding its functionality and applying best practices, you can create robust and efficient automation processes. The examples provided illustrate common scenarios where this operator can be effectively utilized, emphasizing its importance in various applications,